Mingnuo C150 Mini Ride-On Road Sweeper. It cleans over 7,000 square meters per hour. Perfect for large areas, like asphalt, concrete, or gravel. It removes leaves, branches, cigarette butts, and dust, leaving your surfaces spotless. Our spraying system reduces dust while cleaning. Easy to operate, with quick adjust squeegees and tool-free filter changes, even for beginners. With a 48 volts 60Ah battery, it's built to last, with over 3,000 charging cycles and a 3-year warranty. Watch it sweep with a width of 1,200 millimeters and a powerful 1,000 W motor. Whether indoors or outdoors, our C150 is ready to tackle any cleaning job. Choose C150 today for cleaner, more efficient results.